Hi guys, it's Wakanda's girl here once again. I'm back with another video. So remember to subscribe, to share my videos, and to hit the notification bell so that you can get all my videos whenever I upload them. So today's video is just about organizing. So I'm going to organize the fridge with new things. Like I've restocked the vegetables in the fridge. So they are here. We have the carrots, we have the capsicums, we have the tomatoes, and we have the cabbage, and we have these ones, mishiri. I don't know how they are called in English. So for the tomatoes, they are in two basins. You wonder why? Because these ones they are not yet so ripe, but these ones they are over ripened. They are so soft, like you cannot put them together with this one. So they tend to go in different spaces. So with that, guys, welcome to my video. Hope you get something. Hope you take something from me that you can also use in your fridge. Come with me, guys. We organize the fridge. Thank
So guys, these are the containers I'm going to use to arrange my things inside. They are fridge organizers and they are so good and cute. Wait and see.
Take another step closer.
So here I am just wiping my fridge inside. Yeah, because I had already washed it, so I'm just wiping up with a dry cloth. Yeah, and it's clean. So those are milk containers. We use them to store milk. So those tomatoes, they are the ones which are not so ripe. Out there I'm going to put the ripe ones that are so soft so that they are big, they can be safe there. Yeah. So there I'm just going to put my carrots. They will fit in two containers. That's why I have two containers there. So there I'm going to put the capsicums, the red and green and yellow. And I love these peppers so much. They will also fit in two containers. Wait and see.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it
Now is organizing the French beans. So the French beans, I use these mini organizers and they are so good. They make them to be fresh for a long time. So trust me with them, they are good. So our cabbage is going to enter in that one container, and this cabbage, like, I divide it in pieces so that it can fit in that space. So don't be worried about that. They will be fresh for the longest time, trust me. So there are our things in the containers. They are ready fit and they are ready to go into our fridge. They are so organized. Look at them, guys. Don't you love it?
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all.
So there is our fridge. Let's put the things inside and see the final results at the end. Thank you guys for watching my video, and remember to subscribe and to share, and always feel free to tell me what you want me to do for you in the comment section. I love you guys. Bye. Have a good time.